Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how to fix your personal hotspot not working on iPhone 15 Pro Max in iOS 17. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now here are a few things that we can go ahead and try to resolve this issue. Now the first thing that we can go ahead and do is to just go ahead and reset your phone. So to do that, all we need to do is to press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. And this will go ahead and open something like this. And then all we need to do is to just go ahead and slide all the way to the very right to turn off the mobile phone. Now go ahead and open up the mobile phone once again and then go ahead and check if the issue has been solved. Another thing that we can go ahead and do is to go ahead and check that you are on the latest iOS 17 version. To do that, all we need to do is to head over to our settings right here, and then we should be able to locate the general section. So go ahead and click on general, and then we should be able to see software update right here. So just go ahead and click on software update, and then this will go ahead and check if you are on the latest version of your mobile phone. If there is an update, then just go ahead and update to the latest iOS 17 version. As of this video recording, it is currently on 17.3.1. And then once that you have updated your phone, just go ahead and reset your phone once again, turn it off and then turn it back on, and then go ahead and check that the personal hotspot is working. Now another thing to consider is for the personal hotspot, the main way of using the personal hotspot is via Wi-Fi. However, there is also the option to use your personal hotspot via Bluetooth or using a tethered cable. Go ahead and try this out, and hopefully this resolves the issue. And finally, one last thing that we can go ahead and do is to go ahead and reset our network settings. Now all we need to do is to once again go ahead and go to our settings right here, and then we're going to go back to general. Now we need to scroll all the way down until we can go ahead and see transfer or reset iPhone. So just go ahead and click on this, and then we're going to be clicking on reset. There should be an option here which says reset network settings. So go ahead and reset your network settings by adding in your passcode right here. This will completely reset your network settings, and you will need to go ahead and reconnect to all of the network settings that you have used. Now you can go ahead and check that your personal hotspot is working right here, and as you can see right here, this currently works. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial as well. See you guys next time.